Imagine an assistant that grants you super strength, lends a helping hand wherever you need it, saves you time and effort during installation, and helps you design accessible buildings. EasyAssist from Dormakaba, the door assistant that makes life easier, combining the benefits of door closers and operators to move doors as light as a feather or open them touchless. EasyAssist offers a compact design and supports flexible mounting options, maintaining easy installation and commissioning by mobile app assistance. With the power to operate heavy manual fire doors like they're light as a feather, up to touchless activation for easy hygiene. All at a price that makes accessibility an easy choice. EasyAssist, the door assistant that makes life easier.